Every pilot's journey starts with a dream, looking up at the sky and imagining what's possible. At Western Community College, we take that dream and help you turn it into reality. Located right at Abbotsford International Airport, our school is where passion meets possibility, where dreams become reality.
Hi everyone, my name is Raj Handel. I want to welcome everyone here to Western Community College Aviation School. Very proud of the fact that our aviation school is one of the most affordable schools here in the province of British Columbia, here in Canada. We have a very diverse population group. We have students from South Asia, Southeast Asia, North America, and Latin America. Look forward to the opportunity of serving you and supporting you in your aviation journey.
With a growing fleet of aircraft, dedicated instructors, and hands-on training, we prepare our students not just to fly, but to soar with confidence.
Hello everybody, I'm the Chief Flight Instructor at Western Community College. I have a background of 35 years in aviation. I've been an instructor for 35 years. 8,000 hours plus of experience flying, and if you do get to fly with me, you never regret it.
We support students every step of the way with flexible schedules, affordable tuition, and help overcoming any language barriers.
Hi, my name is Sohail Durrani. I am head of the aviation training at Western Community College. Our aviation program stands out for quality, safety, and accessible training here in BC.
We're approved by Transport Canada and IATA authorized training centers, meaning your education meets global standards, opening doors across the aviation industry. At WCC, aviation training goes beyond the cockpit. Because here you're not just learning how to fly, you're discovering who you can become. Western Community College Aviation. The sky is just the beginning.